Good evening, ma'am. I'm going to report the continuation topic of diseases and sex under control that was reported by Ms. Bitasolo. Selecting treatment methods, agricultural methods of controlling pests, diseases, and disorder include quarantine, use of disease for or resistant or adherent planting material, cultural, for example, sterilisation and disposing of crop residues, soil sterilization, crop rotation, provision of, of alternative host, avoidance or annihilation of unfavorable condition, for example, careful timing of weed, soil, and water management quarantine operations, chemical agents such as protectants and eradicants. These are strategies used in agricultural pest and disease management to protect crops f- from pests, pathogens, and unfavorable conditions. First is quarantine. This involves restricting the movement of plants, soil, or agricultural products between regions to prevent the introduction or spread of pests and diseases. Second is use of disease-free or resistant planting material. Farmers select seeds, cuttings, or plants that are certified free from diseases or bred to resist certain pathogens. This reduces the risk of infections and increases crop resilience. Third, cultural practice such as sanitation, proper disposal of crop, and fourth is soil sterilization, treating soil to eliminate harmful organisms like nematodes, fungi rather, that can affect crops. Methods include soil aeration using heat from the sun or chemical treatments. Changing the type of grown in a field successive seasons disrupt the life cycle of pests and diseases that specialize in one type of a plant. Next is provision of alternative hosts. Planting specific non-crop plants to divert pests away from the main crop. This is a form integrated pest management or IPM. 7. Avoidance or amelioration of unfavorable conditions, adjusting farming practices to reduce stress on crops and minimize pest outbreaks such as timing of planting, irrigation, or weeding to align with optimal conditions, preventing waterlogging or drought that can promote pest and problem. And lastly, chemical agents, protectants, and eradicants. Protectants, chemicals applied before an infection occurs to prevent pest or pathogen attack. Eradicants, chemical used to eliminate existing infestation or infection like pesticides and herbicides. These methods are often combined in integrated pest. Next, naiupat ka pest control sa agricultural field, which is the chemical control, biological control, cultural control in agriculture, and lastly, cultural control in horticulture. First, ato'y topic ang chemical control. Definition of chemical control: the use of chemical to kill pesticides or repel pests. This includes insecticides, fungicides, herbicides, and nematicides. Spraying fungicides to prevent fungal infections. Applying herbicides to control weeds. Isa ni sa atong mga kung magtanom ta at necessary gadget ka ng mga sagbuton bitaw nga kanang yuta is atong gamitan og kaning chemical control kay para dili makuha sa katong mga sagbot ang nutrients sa katong specific nga atong gitanom sa atong area. Mao ni isa sa iyang purpose. Ang disadvantage ani is potential environmental harm. Maka makahatag po ni siya pollution, even na siya good kanang good nga way nga makapatay sa mga unnecessary nga unnecessary growth nga mga sagbot is na po siya disadvantages. So isa po kung magpalabi po ta gamit ani over time na po'y possibility nga dangupon or mo kuan ang mga peste sa atong mga tanom. So next is biological control. Using natural predators, parasites, or pathogen to control pest populations. Examples: introducing ladybugs to control aphids, using Bacillus thuringiensis or a bacteria to target caterpillars. So advantages are eco-friendly and sustainable. Reduces dependency on chemical pesticides. So ang disadvantage niya is may take longer to show results. Requires careful planning to avoid disrupting ecosystem. So kung magamit ang biological control is dapat kabalo tas some of consequences sa atong pag-apply ani. Diyan kung magkuan tas mag-focus ta sa isa ka kanang matter nga uy kani mo ni ang good way mo ni ang di mag both positive and negative effects of the field is dapat na to i-consider. So next is cultural control. Manipulating the environment or agricultural practices to prevent pests and diseases. Example ni crop rotation to reduce the build-up of specific pests. Proper spacing of plants to ensure good air circulation and reduce fungal diseases. Cleaning tools and machinery to prevent pathogen spread. So sa cultural control, usually if katong nagtabo tong una sa mga karon nagtanom og kanang karon nga season is nagtanom og pulsitaw. So in the next season na po nagtanom og kanang zeamais. So mao to makuha na to nga crop rotation. So also kung naapay proper spacing kung magtanom ta, di ba butangan usually pratong pulsitaw, di ba nang butang tag spaces sa lagang hagang net by hill kay para na proper nga pagtubo ug di pud ma-disturb ang isa ka plant kung magkuha na siya mag-develop. And also good po ang circulation o pag-take niya ng mga carbon dioxide came from the living things. So lastly is physical control. Using physical barriers or mechanical methods to manage pests. Example, installing nets or row covers to protect plants from insects, handpicking pests of plants. So advantage ani niya is simple and often cost-effective, safe for environment and non-target species. So dili kuha ni siya si kaning usually kaning tanan ng mga control ato gyud na gina-apply. It depends sa unsa kalala sa isa ka sakit sa atong plan. So di po ta pataka nga pag control dapat makabalo ta nga unsay dapat or kuan kanang certain nga control ato i-apply na para di pud madaot atong tanom. So next is selecting treatments methods. Selecting equipment for treatment methods of applying pesticides. Most agricultural, horticultural pesticides are applied as sprays, fumigants. So usually, di ba, pinanatan natin mga spray. Kung dili kayo dako ang area na to, magamit na ka ng mga spray ra, ng gagmay. So kana kung dako atong area, di ba, iuban di na magamit kung ng spray, di ba, dak ka ng pang dako na kuhan kanong matter. So next is other application methods tend to be confined and specialized or limited operation and include dust application. So on dust application is the use of powdered pesticides or fertilizers that are directly applied to crops or soil. So sama sa atong mga gihimo kung mga kitay mismo ang maggama bitaw nga kanang kita ra kibali mo to na bagya tas kita mismo ang magbubo o sa kana nga kuan sa kana sa dito sa plants pre ng fertilizers pre pag magkuha ta fertilizer di ba mag ato naman na kanang kamot pagbutang di ba i-direct na through gikan sa atong mga kamot. So isa ni ang mga example sa das application. So also sa kanang paggama pud sa mga pesticides. So ang function ni is a pest control, ease of application. So example, dusting plants with insecticides to control aphids or strips. So kabalo naman ta kung sa pesticides is makontrol gadyo niya ang katong naa sa mismo sa nga mga pesticide mo tanong pa ng aphids or thrips. So next is granule application and seed and grain treatments. So when we say seed and grain treatments, the coating of seeds or grains with protective agents like fungicides, insecticides, or growth enhancers before planting or storage. Function is protecting during germination, storage safety, improves germination. Example, treating maize seeds with fungicides to prevent moth disease or applying insecticide to stored grains to protect against beetles. And lastly, pesticide baits. A combination of a pesticides and attractant used to lure and kill pests. So function niya is targets specific control, reduce application rates, and long-lasting effects. So next is ni kaniyang mga gamit ato makita is gina-apply ni siya usually di man makita gyud diri sa Pilipinas pero sa ubang agriculture field sa pang international is makita ni sa kaning picture. So dapat kita mismo kung di ra kun mga diseases or kinds of mga pesticides bitaw atong may bawan or insects, we should also know nga unsay mga angay nga atong i-apply na mga control for us and for the sake na po sa atong mga tanom nga dili mamatay po sila kay the effort and time nga atong gispend is di gyud bayaran kung wala tay money. So that's all. Thank you.